In this video, I am going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. This process is simple and easy, and the method for PC and mobiles is same. The first thing is head over to the Roblox, and once you will be there, take a look on the right top. You can see a setting icon, click on it, and tap on the option settings. Once you will get access to your account setting. In the account info section, you can see the option of verify my age. Scroll down, and here you have to click on the option verify my age. Once you will click on the option verify, it will show you the process by which you can verify your age. And for these you have your valid government-issued ID ready. Make sure you are in well-lit room and be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. Make sure you have everything ready according to the requirement. And once it's done, click on the option verifying. Once you click on the option to begin verifying, here select the country. Once a country will be selected, click on the option select. Here you have to select that which you want to provide. If you have a passport, then click on it. Or if you have a national ID card, then click on it. And here you have to take a picture of your card. In order to do it, click on this icon. And once you will submit your information, it will take some time. Maybe 24 or 48 hours. After the verification, it will send you a message. And then come to the section of privacy and content security. And then you will be able to find the icon of voice chat, and that's it.